Okay, here's the second part of this video. In this part of the video, I've already figured out that the voltage from here to here is 12.084 volts. I'm now going to ignore that side of the circuit, and I'm going to analyze this side here. Okay, so let's divide ourselves up and get some space here. First, let me draw a picture of this. This is what it's going to look like. Okay, so let's go. It's going to go here. Then there's a 17 ohm resistor. Right? And now this is going to be a 3, a mess, and a 5, right? So we'll go. Right? So this is a 17 ohm, that's this guy here. And then the 3 ohm here, I'm going to put here. And then the mess here, this whole melange, as it were, right? The 7.548. And then the 5 right there is going to be this guy. Okay? And then this voltage here is the one that we just figured out, 12.084. Okay? Which is, by the way, we stored that in E, I do believe. Okay? Okay, so memory locations are, definitely your friend. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do here, I guess, is I do believe that there is an ammeter right here. Let's pick that guy off, A2. This is easy. This is a parallel circuit, right? So A2 is going to be, it's just going to be V over R. It's going to be this voltage, the 12.084 volts. Divided by 17. Okay, so that guy divided by 17. It's already on my calculator, so I just hit answer. And I'm going 12.084. That's 0.7108. Okay, and that's kind of a throwaway. I don't need to use that for anything because there's nothing else. Okay, and then let's pick off some other meters here. Let's figure out, I guess, this current over here. Right, that current there is going to be A3. Notice A3 is right here. It's twixt the 3 ohm and the mess, the melange, as it were. Right? Okay, so there it is. So let's figure this current out here. A3 is going to be V over R. Right? So it's going to be 12.084 divided by this whole resistance here, so 3 plus 7.548 plus 5, right? All right, so let's see, which one is that? Alpha E is this guy. Okay, so alpha E divided by parentheses, 3 plus, and then what's that guy? That guy's A, right? You see that? So alpha A, right, plus 5. And I'm going to store that in, what am I on? I guess I'm on F. 0.7772. And indeed, I'm on the right track. Okay? So that's that current, and I stored that in variable F there. Now, if you take a look, there's a voltmeter across the 5 ohm, so let's pick that off, right? V2. Right? V2 is going to be IR. It's going to be this current here, the 0.772. Right? And then the resistance there is 5. Okay, so that guy, the thing that's on my calculator times 5 is 3.8859. Yeah? That's my V2, right? Okay. And now let's pick off, we've picked off that. I think what we have to do now is find V3, which is the voltage of the rest of the circuit. Okay, and then we'll be done with this video, and then in the next video we'll look at this guy. Okay, so V3 is just IR, right? Okay, is equal to, well, which current is it? It's this current here, right, that goes through this whole thing, right? It's 0.772. right, times this resistance here, all properly calculated, 7.548, right? Right? Okay, so where are those things? Let's see, alpha F is that guy. Let's see, alpha A, right? So let's go this guy, alpha F, right? Times alpha A, which is that one there, right? Okay, and then let's store that in G just for fun. Okay, so this voltage is 5.8665 volts is the voltage from here to here on the circuit. It's the reading on V3 there. Okay, now in the next video we're going to look at just this part of the circuit right here. Okay.